I just wanted to put this little piece of video at the end. I wanted to let you know what my wife's real dream is. The community's so excited to send us to you, and there's lots of reasons for why they love her. But she has a dream of starting a project here called the 3-Foot Giant. And that would be a non-profit that would do a lot of the same work that you guys do. We just don't have your budget, and we don't quite have all the team members that you do. But we'd like to take families that have medically fragile issues going on and maybe are stuck in homes that have been affected by the flooding that we experience repeatedly here, and just make a little difference, a small difference. And it means so much to my wife. She's inspired me, and she's inspired many people in our community. So that's why we want to come with you. That's why we mention that we see it as job training, on-the-job training, because we would come home ready to continue the work that we did with you. Thank you so much.